Oh, hey guys. I just got done reading chapter two, and I decided to do my video log on this one. Uh, and I enjoyed the chapter. I especially enjoyed the part with the story about the chickens at the very end. I thought it was pretty witty. Um, and I also thought that that picture of the bear at the no, yeah, the bear climbing the tree at the very end kind of looked like aphids on a plant stalk. Uh, Maybe I just can't interpret things right. Anyway, one of the things that I wanted to comment on was the part where in the beginning where he talks about uh, uh, animals don't have as many visual areas in the brain. Um, I thought that's kind of funny because it reminds me of my bird, because everything that you do, he's watching, and so you look up and he's looking at you with his beady little eyes, and I thought it was kind of funny that maybe he won't be able to interpret everything that we're doing, even though he sees it. Anyway, I enjoyed the author's sort of a fun approach to evolutionary psychology, because it is kind of the theory does kind of sound far fetched, even though it's may or may not be true. Um, I thought it was kind of funny, but anyway, let's see. And the author says in page 43, uh, he says that but only humans can. Let's see, where is it? Oh yeah, only humans can mentally juggle visual symbols to create novel combinations, such as baby sprouting wings, or uh, that, or beings that are half horse, half man, centaurs. Um, I would make the argument that we really don't know what animals think or see. Well, we know they can see, but anyway, because they can't talk. So I say it's arguable that you can make that assumption, even though he's probably correct. Let's see. Um, the story about um, John was pretty interesting. I saw a something in a documentary about him, or a case like him. Uh, the guy couldn't recognize his own daughter. I never really thought about the fact that he couldn't recognize flowers from weeds. Um, let's see. Uh, Another thing that I thought was kind of funny was that I think the author was taking advantage of the poor drunk guy, uh, who had having drunk, I think, three wines, uh, and he kind of gave the guy a trick question whenever he asked him about the chair, and the guy answers him, and he gives an answer about how uh, when we see something, it's actually flipped upside down, and technically that's true, because physics shows that the image, when you work with a lens that's in the eye, the image does flip upside down, which of course uh, the author gets into the what he called the homunculus fallacy, when it comes to like a little man inside the guy's brain seeing the image reflect showing on screen. But if you think about it, um, let's see, let's see. The author says something that was really, let's see, instead of symbolic description represents the scene, objects have been image. Just someone chair across from like me. Let's see. In order to understand perception, you need to get rid of the notion that the image at the back of your eye simply gets relayed back to your brain to be displayed on a screen. So I mean, I don't really think about it being displayed on a screen, but um, I usually think about it as like pseudocode and binary, and the fact that uh, when your eye gets the signal, it sends back the code um, in binary, and your brain reads it, and we just see the pseudocode, the stuff that we can understand, but we can't. We don't know it's actually going back there and understanding it. But I thought it was pretty interesting. I never heard of the homunculus fallacy before. Um, yep. So I think that was about it.